Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me, Sean Hormuz. Today, just I want to give you some detail about my channel, how much I earn in the last 10 days, and how much I get a revenue in a day. So I'll be give you complete detail about that. And if you are new to the channel, so please make sure please subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Sean Hormuz. So let's get start recording. How can I earn in a day? So right here you can see, if you look to my channel, you can see I just uploaded one video almost in 46 minutes ago, and one is 1 day ago, 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 2 days ago, and 2 day ago, 2 day ago. So my channel is almost more and more active. Some people are thinking about that, if our channel is monetized, so after that we will be directly make a reach from YouTube, but this is not yet to be done with anyone, because if you look to this, if you look to my channel, you can see almost views 130 in 2 days ago, and 2 days ago 42. But I just want to give you as a whole how can I make money from YouTube in 10 days. So right here I just want to go, and I'm present in my channel stereo. So right here I'm just gonna to analytics. So right here I just want to click on that. After that, if you look to my channel, you can see in last 48 hour my views is 814. And after that, if you look to revenue, so I just want to click on that. After that, if you looked in last 28 days, my revenue is right here. You can see my estimated revenue is 15.18, and RPM is 0.92, and playback based CPM is 3.42. So right here this is a detail about it, but I just want to give you how much I earn $15.18 in last 28 days. And I just want to give you some detail about that, how much views are in last 28 days. So you can see right here 18. I just want to click on that. If you look, you can see 18.4k views. 18.4k views means that I'm almost on $15.18 in 18.4k views. So this is all detail about that. And if you want to enter to the main YouTube, and you can see also important, this is an important notification from YouTube side, you know about that. I'm not receive any pin code right now, and if I didn't get this one password, then after that my channel will be demonetized because of pin code. And please support me. I'm always uploaded like this video and give you a good more best projects in cryptocurrency. And right here I just want to again change to last 7 days, so I will also give you some detail about last 7 days. So if you look to last 7 days, so you can see I just earn estimated revenue almost 2.10 in 3.4k views. So this is complete detail about my channel, and in last 7 days I am almost get subscribe plus 23. So this is all detail about that. And if you are new to the channel, and also I just want to give you some detail about it. If you think about that, I'm just gonna to make a YouTuber, so you must be thinking about that in 2-3 years. I think so it is not easy to it is not possible to get your channel monetized easily, because if you look to my channel right now, I just want to give you some detail about that. I just want to click on that, and if you look to that or oldest channel, right now you can see 1 year ago I just want to upload some detail about educate videos, because I'm just gonna to try and understand to people what is the, I just want to give a learning skills. And also I just want to give some important skills to people, but they didn't think about it, that they just want to go and direct just want to come in the you can also say that they just want to go on the bypass way to earning. They don't want to learn first. So that's why I'm directly joined the main earning methods. Right now you can see I am almost uploaded 400 I think so 482 videos in my YouTube channel, but I'm almost monetized in 30 to 30 days ago. I'm just monetized, but I'm just say about that you will be not make a rich in some time in YouTube. You will be do a hard work for YouTube, and always make a good content on YouTube. If you look to my content is also too much good, but right now I didn't come more and more, and I didn't get more and more views. So this is a little about my channel, and also please subscribe my channel, please, and also hit the bell icon so you won't any miss update from the Shan Hormus. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thanks a lot.